Welcome to the Depth Dive. Today, we're looking at something absolutely fundamental in the world of medicine, how we ensure the quality of biopharmaceutical and biotechnological products. Think of it as, the ultimate behind-the-scenes look at how safety, effectiveness, and consistency are built into everything from vaccines to gene therapies.
Exactly. And we'll be exploring why the rigorous testing applied at every stage of manufacturing, like from the initial ingredients right through to the final vial, is so critical. Our mission today is really to get a clear understanding of the key types of quality control tests in this industry and, crucially, why they matter. For patients, obviously, but also for the manufacturers.
Okay, let's jump right into it then. Sterility testing. It sounds pretty straightforward, but what's the real significance here?
Well, what's fascinating, I think, about sterility testing is its direct link to preventing harm. We're essentially, verifying that the product is completely free of any living microorganisms. Just imagine the potential consequences, right?
Mm-hmm.
Injecting a treatment that's contaminated with bacteria or a fungi could lead to severe infections and basically negate any therapeutic benefits.
Right, right. So it's the absolute first line of defense against introducing, well, new problems. Now, pyrogen testing, that sounds related, but distinct. What are we looking for there?
That's a good question. Yeah, while sterility testing looks for living organisms, pyrogen testing detects fever-inducing substances. These can actually be remnants of like dead microorganisms or other contaminants. So even if a product is technically sterile, the presence of these pyrogens can trigger a really dangerous immune response in the patient. It kind of highlights that safety isn't just about what's alive. It's about any substance that could cause an adverse reaction. What sort of stands out to you about that distinction?
Hmm. It's like the difference between a clean kitchen and a kitchen where maybe you've used cleaning products but haven't rinsed them away properly. Both could cause problems, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next up we have carcinogenicity testing. This feels like it's addressing potential long-term risks.
Precisely, yeah. Carcinogenicity testing aims to identify if a product or any of its components has the potential to cause cancer over time. These evaluations are pretty complex. They often involve long-term studies just to understand the possible impact on cellular growth. If we connect this to the sort of bigger picture, it's about ensuring that the treatments designed to help now don't create other massive health issues, down the line.
Definitely sounds like a critical piece of the puzzle,
Oh,
for
yeah.
sure. And then there's toxicity testing, which seems like maybe a broader sweep for potential harm.
That's right, yeah. Toxicity testing is a really comprehensive category. It assesses the general potential of a product to cause harm to the body. And this can manifest in, well, many different ways, from immediate toxic effects on specific organs to more subtle forms of damage that might take longer to show up. Because the possibilities are so varied, these tests often involve a whole range of different methods to try and detect various types of adverse reactions.
It sounds like a lot of individual checks, though. How do all these different types of testing actually fit together? Is it just a checklist?
That's a key point. They aren't just isolated tests. No, they form this really interconnected system of quality controls, sort of embedded throughout the entire manufacturing process. Think of it like multiple checkpoints at different stages, starting right from the initial raw materials, then through the intermediate steps, and finally, checking the finished product itself. This kind of layered approach really minimizes the chance of any quality issue, slipping through the cracks.
And I'm guessing there are authorities overseeing all of this. It's not just the companies deciding for themselves.
Absolutely not. Regulatory bodies worldwide, like the FDA, EMA, they mandate these tests and establish really strict guidelines that manufacturers must follow. This regulatory oversight is crucial, isn't it, for ensuring consistent quality and safety standards across the entire industry. It provides assurance for both healthcare professionals and, of course, patients. What's kind of fascinating here is the global effort to standardize these critical processes, actually.
Okay, so just to recap quickly, we've looked at sterility, pyrogen, carcinogenicity, and toxicity testing. It seems pretty clear they're all absolutely essential for ensuring that these complex biological products are, well, safe and effective.
Exactly. This rigorous approach to quality control and testing isn't just some regulatory hurdle. It's really a fundamental commitment to patient safety and product integrity. It has to be.
This has been a really insightful look into a crucial aspect of the pharmaceutical world. Honestly, it makes you appreciate just how much goes into ensuring the safety of the treatments we rely on. On that note, considering the sophistication and just the vital role of these quality control measures, what future advancements or perhaps ethical considerations do you foresee becoming particularly important? especially in biopharmaceutical quality control as the field, continues to evolve so rapidly. It's certainly something to consider. Thanks for this deep dive.